Guys, today in this video we are going to see review about this awesome product called CryptoProfitz, which is the world's first crypto software app that will help you to make crypto profits without any risk or investing in just a few clicks. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And if you get access to it right now, I have some big bonuses for you. So to learn more about it, stick till the end of the video, and to grab this limited time period offer plus my free bonuses, definitely check out the link in the description, guys. So now let's get started.
Hello, welcome to CryptoProfitz demo. CryptoProfitz is actually a brand new app that exploits never revealed crypto loophole. It allows you to build done-for-you crypto sites with traffic from 200 plus sources in just a single click. So I'm going to log into my account now to show you how this powerful software works. Okay, so now once you log into your CryptoProfitz dashboard, this is what you see. You can see here, you see the total number of websites created, videos, the categories, and the traffic you're generating to your site. You can see the popular sites that you've created, and you can see the latest sites. Also on the dashboard menu, we have the video sites where you can actually create your crypto video site in just a single click, and we have the done for you site templates that you can quickly use to build your site in a click. We have the ads builder in case you want to create your own ads from scratch, and we have our done for you ads that you can use to monetize your video sites and also get your affiliate links to earn commissions from your website. Okay, so in order to create my crypto video site, I'll go to done for you site, as you can see. So once you click on done for you site, you have access to 3 done for you depending on the upgrade that the user purchased. Some will have 5 done for you, some will have 10 done for you, and some will have 20 done for you sites. So here all you just have to do is just to click on this button to clone any of the done for you templates. So once you click on the clone, you can edit the website name. You see that? So you can change, you can add logo to your website. You can create categories in case you want to create your own category. So I'm going to click on category, and you see that you can type Bitcoin news. Then you search for video here. You can search for Bitcoin news as well. You see that? Then click on the search button. Okay, so it's going to show me videos in the category, so I can add as many videos as possible. Can you see? So once I'm done, I'll just click on save changes, and you can see Bitcoin news, we have 12 videos. You can create as many categories as possible. So you can also schedule your daily video. All you just have to do is to enter the number of videos you want to schedule on a daily basis, and this posts the videos to your site on complete autopilot, so you don't even have to lift a finger again. So once you're done, we go to where we monetize our website. As you can see, there are different banner ads there. You can say this is for Binance. On the ads section, you can actually get all your affiliate links. Okay, so once you click on the ad, you're going to see for Binance, you see the ads in case you're creating your own website from scratch. So you can just right click and save image in case you want to download this image and add it to your own website manually. So in case you want to get your affiliate links, all you have to do is just to click on the link here to get your affiliate link. Once you click on the sign up, it takes you to the registration page where you can actually sign up. Can you see? So you can just click on register to sign up on Binance so that you can get your affiliate links and make money from it. So once you get your affiliate link, you're going to replace this link with your affiliate link. So this will be your affiliate link. There are a lot of done for you banners there. You can see you can also add AdSense to it. You can monetize your website with AdSense code. So also, this is also another banner. You can see Changely. To get your affiliate link for this as well, you go to this ad section and sign up. Once you sign up, you get your affiliate link. So you replace your affiliate link here. The thing is that you can as well change this banner to any of the banner of your choice. All you have to do is just to go back to ads and select the banners you want to use. So once you're done adding your affiliate links to the site, all you have to do is just to click on update video site. And if you're creating from scratch, all you have to do is just to click on the button that says create site. And in just a simple click, you can see your site is created. So let's view our site to see how it looks like. Okay, so here is our website. As you can see, the site has been created. You can see the category we created earlier on, Bitcoin news. You can see you can replace your logo. I showed you how to do that earlier on. You can see the live feeds of the cryptos in the market, their current price and the stats. So these are the videos created for you on Complete Autopilot. You can see the banner ads. You have the calculator whereby your visitors can use to calculate or convert crypto to fiat or fiat to crypto. So this is a very powerful site and is heavily monetized. You can see this is also another ad from Bitpanda. This is Changely as well. So all the videos are monetized. Can you see? And this is also another banner below. We also have another banner here. So in case you want to navigate through the site, if you go through the category Bitcoin news, it's going to show you all the videos in that categories. Can you see? And you can decide to play any of the video. So you can see you have banner ads everywhere, so there's no way you're not going to make money from this website. And people love videos is very powerful. So now that is how our website look like. And to get traffic to this site, you just have to go to our one-click traffic source that give you access to 200 traffic sources. Share the website on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, email, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and get tons of traffic to your website. So this is our CryptoProfitz world. Thank you for watching. Bye.